So I got a question for you. Are you looking for complete maintenance-free living? If your yard needs to be mowed, it's taken care of. If the bushes need to be trimmed, it's done. House needs to be painted, done. All you got to do is move in, live your life, and relax. Hi everyone, it's Jeff Ryder with Keller Williams, and I'm bringing you another great new listing, this time on SHOWHORSE, which is in a quiet little area in Springs Ranch. We're about 5 minutes away from entertainment, shopping, really anything you're gonna need to enjoy your new neighborhood. But what you're really gonna like is the inside. So let's go inside and take a look. As you enter the home, you'll find stunning architectural features, including archways that'll make the home feel even more spacious. Bay windows on the back of the home and in the formal dining area, crown molding and vaulted ceilings. Just inside the front door, there is an office which you'll enter through a wide archway. This office is perfect for working from home, which a lot of us are doing these days. Across the hall from this functional office is the second bedroom and a modern bright bathroom with quartz countertops, a tile shower tub combo, custom lighting, tile flooring, and a linen closet. One thing I know you'll appreciate about this home are the vaulted ceilings. The formal dining room and living room are connected by archways. The formal dining room will delight at Thanksgiving with its vaulted ceilings, crown molding, and mountain views. The living room has a gas fireplace and unique built-ins offering plenty of storage for your television and knickknacks. Here you can relax while looking out the bay window at the green space outside. Cooking is made easy in this kitchen with ample quartz countertops and bar, a deep kitchen sink and tile flooring, and a backsplash. Trex wood steps lead down from the kitchen to the patio and the outdoor space. The carpet, which is in mint condition, stretches through the office, living, and dining, and also the guest bedroom. But in the large master bedroom, there is beautiful scratch-resistant wood laminate flooring, another bay window, vaulted ceilings, walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with tile-soaking tub, walk-in shower, and double vanity. The laundry room has built-in cabinetry, a coat closet, broom closet, and entry to the two-car garage with an additional under-stair storage and painted floors. Well, there you have it, maintenance-free living at its best. If you'd like a private tour of this house, or if you just have questions, give me a call. My number is 719-593-SOLD, or shoot me an email, jeffryder@kw.com. Have a great day.